Alright guys, so this is weird. So I dropped my phone the other day and broke it, completely destroyed it. Will not turn back on. So I lost all the video of me putting the Wisefab kit on. But just to prove to you, I have a Wisefab kit now. Check that out. Blue, 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 and then I also have a rack relocation kit, which is really hard to see. Super nice kit. Been driving around with it. Got alignment on it. Been running pretty smooth. But yeah, you wouldn't believe me the fact that I destroyed my phone and lost all of it. I lost all of my photos and videos from me putting the kit on together. So it's on, and I also got the bash part put together. Now we're waiting on a hydro, and we are waiting on a new radiator. So as soon as those get in, I'll try to do videos with my new phone so you can watch those videos. So I don't post too many long videos. I was going to. I've been recording a whole bunch of stuff, but it's gone now. So now we have this video. Super dirty, but I'm really liking this bash bar. It's nothing too aggressive, and it fits with it. So alright, well, hey, thanks for watching this video. Keep following. March 24th, 25th, we have our first drive of the season. I'm getting the trailer worked on right now. So that's getting worked on. Put some new D-rings on it. And then I ordered tires, waiting for the hydro and the radiator. And we should be ripping. It's going to be a whole new car when we get it out there. So thanks for watching the video. We'll see you guys soon. Peace.